My name is Shane Dean. I'm one of the general partners here at Structural Steel Plate Fabrication. We are a family-owned and operated business. My dad started it in 1976, so been in business 46 years. We've been at this facility for about 40 years. Our primary markets here at Structural Steel Plate Fab is the heavy industrial side. So our customers are the mines, the refineries, anything to do with petrochemical. We're ASME coat shop. We can do vessels. We have our paint endorsements. So we kind of feel like our niche. We have engineers on site to where we could build heavy custom equipment for our customers. We're not a real structural-based shop or a plate-based shop. We do both. We do all of it, for better or worse. We've ran several automated equipment over the years. We've got a couple burn tables and with drills. We have angle lines, we have drill lines, and we've looked at getting the plasma line or a coper for a lot of years. We were hesitant for a long time just due to the burn pull aspects and a few of those concerns in the engineering, but as the market, everyone got used to it and saw more of it, we spent a lot of time investigating what piece of equipment we wanted. It's a big purchase for us, it's a big deal for us. We've gone to a lot of competitor shops and seen their equipment run, and we saw stuff we liked, we saw stuff we didn't like, and with having a drill line already here, it kind of serviced us already. With that drill line, it caused a lot of bottlenecking. Once we could run the material, and it would go into the structural bay, it would sit for 2 or 3 days by the combs, and it was brutal to see, plates cut, ready to go on beams cut the length, sitting there and watching guys warm their torch up and take their time and get a nice cope in there, and then they'd get their grinders out and make it all nice, and it was just brutal being in management and seeing that. And we just, time after time, we'd run a bunch of material, bam, it would get stopped, stuck and bottlenecked in the coping. So when we decided to get involved, and we thought, this is something we've got to do. When you start looking at the hours, the man hours that it's compensating for, it shows up. We've got the pipe attachment for it, and then we're running a lot of pipe a couple weeks ago. It's awesome, making door sections. They're coming out dialed in. Our time has gone up. In fact, we had a big meeting last week on adjusting our labor rates, because we feel that we can be more competitive in these structural markets, not just do the structural for the platform, but actually go after the 4-story buildings.